Looking to power up your kitchen with serious blending performance in a compact package? The NutriBullet NB9-1301K Pro 13-piece blender delivers fast, efficient blending with a strong 900 watts of power, perfect for smoothies, shakes, sauces, soups, and more. Right out of the box, you get a complete 13-piece set that includes everything you need to make healthy, delicious blends quickly and easily. The high-performance motor spins strong enough to break down fruits, vegetables, ice, seeds, and nuts into smooth, drinkable consistency, making nutrient-rich results a breeze. Its sleek Onyx Black finish not only looks great on your countertop, but also offers a durable build that stands up to daily use. Whether you're prepping breakfast smoothies, post-workout drinks, or backyard party dips, this NutriBullet handles it all with confidence. The set comes with a range of cups, lids, and blades, so you're ready for single-serve blends, on-the-go nutrition, or family-size recipes without hunting down extra accessories. The easy-to-use design makes blending quick and cleanup simple, keeping your routine smooth from start to finish. This model balances power, versatility, and convenience, giving you commercial-style blending results without taking up a ton of space. If you want delicious texture and maximum nutrition with minimal effort, this NutriBullet blender is a solid choice for everyday use. Click the link below for the best price.